Welcome to Emmelac online tutorial. Now let us look at this simple exponential equation, and here it is that x raised to the square root of 3 then equals the square root of 3 raised to x, and we're going to find the value of x. If you're new to my channel, please like, share this video for updates. Alright, now let's get started. Now looking at this, we can see that we have the square root of 3 as the exponent on the left hand side, and here it appears as a base. X here as a base here, and x here as an exponent. Very simple. So all you just need to do is for us to just bring x. What you just need to do here is to bring this exponent of x, reconcile it with that of the base, and bring the exponent, the square root of 3, down to the right hand side. So what we just need to do is to raise both sides by the reciprocal of each of the exponents. Now in this case, x raised to the square root of 3. Now for us to bring x here, all we just need to do is to raise both sides by the reciprocal of x, which is 1 over x. Okay, now then equals, the same applies here, square root of 3 raised to x, or raised to 1 all over x. Okay, so how do you bring this also to this point? Now the same in the same principle or rule, let's raise both sides to the reciprocal of the square root of 3. So in this case now, times 1 all over the reciprocal of this square root of 3, and here 1 all over the reciprocal of the square root of 3. Okay, so in this case now, the square root of 3 will eliminate its reciprocal, because when we have a times 1 all over a, which is 1 over a is the reciprocal of a, this will then give us what? 1, because this will cancel out this. Okay, so here x will cancel out the whole of this. So we are left with x raised to 1 over x, then equals the square root of 3 raised to 1 over the square root of 3. Now if you look at the left and the right hand side, you can see a comparison where x is raised to its reciprocal, and the base of 3, the square root of 3 is raised to its reciprocal. So to this end, we can conclude that x equals to the square root of 3, or you can rightly say 3 raised to 1 over 2. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye bye.